Welcome to Kavi Tips and Tips. In this video, I am going to share some tips and tricks about Indian share market. If you're considering investing in the Indian stock market, it's essential to conduct thorough research, understand your risk tolerance, and possibly seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. Here are some general tips for approaching stock market investments. Diversification: avoid putting all your funds into a single stock. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. Carefully research the companies you're interested in, including their financial health, performance history, and growth prospects. Fundamental analysis: consider the company's revenue, earnings, debt, management quality, and competitive advantage before making an investment decision. Technical analysis: some investors use technical analysis to study historical price trends and patterns to identify potential entry and exit points. Long term perspective: stock market investments should generally be considered for the long term. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short term market movements. Risk management is only what you can afford to lose, and avoid investing all your savings in the stock market. Stay informed, stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and company news to make informed decisions. It's important to remember that the stock market carries inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always exercise caution and consider seeking professional financial advice tailored to your specific situation and goals. Thank you so for stay with us. This video only for educational purposes. Don't depend fully on this content.